Alright, this is Sergio shooting at 50 yards.
Gone. It's done.
Alright, eject the mag. Release the bolt.
This one?
Release the bolt.
Oh.
Alright, pull the trigger. Close the door. Close that.
With the hand?
Yep. Set it down.
Woo.
Alright, let's bring it back.
Yeah, I think I did much better.
Much better. See that?
Can you back it up a little?
Yeah. Alright, what we see there is a nice tight grouping. But like I told you before, it appears that the only thing that's off is you need to set up the sights for yourself. That's a whole process involving about 100 rounds. And every 3 rounds you adjust the sights. So
that means I'm doing good.
That is a lot better. You have a tighter group. They're all in the same area, which means that you're aiming for the same area. You're getting a good trigger pull, good breathing, good sight picture. Much better.
Woohoo!
There's the man right there.